Hello friends, welcome to iTechkey. My name is Varun Chauhan. I hope all are doing good. I am also doing well friends. Today I came with CWP installation part 9. Today I am very excited because I have completed CWP installation series. We will meet in next videos for CWP troubleshooting. If you have any doubts, so you can share in comment box. I'll try to give you solution for that. Before I start to continue, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video notification. Because you subscribed our channel, be motivated and ready to come with a new video. Let's start to continue. Please log in with username and password. Friends, as you know, I have covered dashboard, CWP setting, server setting, web server setting, PHP setting, service, SSH, services, config, user accounts, and domain, packages, SQL services, email, DNS functions, security. So today I'll cover file management and plugins, developer menu, script installers, billing, graphs. These option I'll cover. Click on file management, file manager. These are Linux directory we can access directly in file manager. For example, I am opening home folder. So there is our username is available. There I can see our data and this is the public HTML. We can access directly via domain. Next server logs. There we can check every logs, boot logs, cron logs, devocode debug logs, firewall logs, and mail logs, message logs. There we can check logs, all type logs we can check here. Next CWP log viewer. There we can check logs, every logs we can check there. For example, I am showing you mail logs. This is the path of logs and there we can search terms if you want, and there is search. So these are logs available in mail. Next log rotate manager. Friends, there we can log rotate. There we can edit the path of log for rotate. Also can run now and delete. There we can logs rotate. There are logs available, starting, finishing, log rotate status. There we can check log path and status. Next FTP manager version 2. There is we can check user list and there we can add user. There we can enter username with domain. I have only goitekey.com, so I have selected goitekey.com, but if you have many domains, so you can select. There is iTechkey username and there is password, and this is the path. If you want give manually path, so you can give, but default path set public HTML. After the click on submit, FTP user account has been created. There I can check this is the username and password. There is unlimited space. This is the directory path. If you want to remove, so you can click remove and change password. Next is edit configuration. There you can change in your TP configuration. There, for example, char root everyone yes or no. You can select broken clients compatibility yes or no. You can select maximum client number. You can select demonize. You can select maximum client per IP. There you can select privacy. Display dot files you can select. There PODB FTP database path. There we can check maximum load, umask, minimum UID, user FTP users. There you can set your FTP privacy and policy. After the changes, you can click on update. Next disk quota setup. Friends, there we can disk quota configuration for CWP server. If you want to add quota manually, so you can add there. Next, disk details. If you running CWP on BPS, then you do not have disk details as the disk is virtual. Here you can check the disk uses per folder and also browse file in the folder. Friends, there we can check disk usage, how much disk is free and how much disk is utilized. There we can check partition info with your folder, and there is usage of your space with the directory. Next, plugins. There we can install plugins. For example, there is Shoutcast Manager old. So there we can install this plugin. By installing Shoutcast server, you will create a Linux Shoutcast user which will be used in the run Shoutcast server. So there we can install Shoutcast Manager. What I did not install because I don't have need of this. There you can select port and there is password and slot number for users. Next, Shoutcast Manager new. There you can install Shoutcast server and there is Icecast server you can install. This is the Site Pro. If you have Site Pro configuration API, so you can enter there and save for Site Pro. Next, developer menu. There is example modules. You can edit this file and make new module based on this file. Example and functions are on our website. Friends, there you can add a module. Next, script installers, script manager. There you can install soft close script installer. If you have need script installer, so you can install there, for example, soft close and next sitepad. There you can install. If you are managing client server, there you are providing web hosting services, so you should be installed soft close because there you can provide to customer for install freeware application, so they can manage, for example, WordPress. Next, billing WHMCS module can be downloaded here. Friends, this is the management for your billing cycle. So there you can manage, you can install the WHMCS billing. If you are using client database, if you are providing the web hosting server, so you can install WHMCS. And next, graphs. There are net data. To remove the net data from the server, please use this command. Please note that net data is high resource demanding for low performance server. Be recommended installing only on the server with multiple CPUs and memories 4 GB plus. If you have need of install net data, so you can install there, confirm and click on install net data. Friends, today I have completed CWP installation series. We will meet in troubleshooting of CWP panel. I hope my video helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget share your feedback in comment box. And if your colleague planning to web hosting server, please share video link.